I'll follow you.
Brenda picture.
Yes.
You're a Gucci gang.
Wow.
Wow.
Speechless.
Hey Cosmo, this is Mika Salamanca, and for today's Cosmo exclusive, we're gonna get ready. You guys are gonna get ready with me for the GMA Gala. Yung inspiration po sa look namin is very timeless and simple po talaga yung iniin ko kasi gusto ko po talaga pagka naglakad ako doon, pagka nakihalubilo ako po sa lahat, I can move around talaga. And syempre gusto din naming ipakita na yung character ko sa Sandra, which is si Annika. Feathers po siya. It's very timeless and it's beautiful. Look, I can't say na it's simple kasi it's really nice and it's really bongga. Pero at the same time, parang siya simple, no? Pero it's nice. I can't explain. It's MAC 2, mang. It's mirror. Turn her around. And when I move around, yung mga feathers parang may buhay. Look. Super excited ko na po kasi yun nga po, first time ko. Nandito lahat ng mga housemates. So, sobrang excited po. Actually, hindi ko po talaga in-expect yung proposal niya. Kasi, GMA Gala siya. And dapat yung nag-aaya talaga is from GMA. Pero, grabe. Kaya sobrang nagulat po ako kasi yun nga po, taga-ABS-CBN siya and siya pa yung nag-aya for Gala. So, yay! Sobrang natuwa po ako kasi unexpected talaga. And same night or same day nung araw na yun, sakto, isa-surprise ko din siya para sa premiere ng 4 Bad Boys. So, pareho kami nag-surprise and kami hot sauce kasi pareho kami ni Brent mahilig sa spicy food, like sobrang spicy food. Eh ako, kahit before PBB pa, lagi ako merong anything na sauce, spicy sauce, chili sauce, or yung chili flakes. Lagi ako may ganun sa bags. Ngayon, bibigyan ko siya ng hot sauce para dalhin niya kung saan man siya dadalhin na mundo. Excited ako ma-meet for the first time. Alam mo, pag nami-meet ko tong taong to, parang first time ko lagi siya nami-meet kasi sobra akong na-amaze sa itsura niya, which is si Miss Mariana Rivera. So, excited ako makita siya tonight. And ano yung look niya kasi for sure, masa-surprise ulit ako and feeling ko first time ko ulit siya makikita. See you later tonight, Cosmo! Woo!
Pakit lang. Kaya i-photo booth lang. Ganon. Tama. Good. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good.
And Asian newspaper star Julianne Sanderson to perform the official theme song of the Benoni Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. Everybody
Miss Ann.
Let's just get a seat.
I'm Brent.
Picture tayo together. Hindi pa na nagkikita ako niya lumabas.
Wala pa.
Okay.
Thank you. Ayan, sige lang. Pakit lang. Very photo booth lang. Ganon. Good. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. And the live stream has extended to 12 midnight. Alam mo ba, mas matagal yung
Galing ba yung eye drop? Eye drop.
So after sosyalan sa Jamie Ball, back to Lamon, ang mga bakla.
Okay. Ready for 3, 2, 1?
Couple of dapat dalawa yan. Couple of dalawa. Hindi ko na video isa po. Okay, look here. Look here. Closer.
Here naman po. 1, 2, 3. And isa pa. Thank you.
Here lang, show nyo lang yung award. Show nyo lang.
Cheers tayo. Cheers kami.
Ready, 3, 2, 1, go.
If that means I'm deep up in your ocean, yeah.